Hello friends, peace be upon you. Blurred image has always been a problem. And we use different software to remove image blur. Just like Adobe Photoshop. Images turn blur due to camera shake, incorrect focus, or subject movement. Various websites also help to remove image blur. But we have sharpened this photo in Photoshop, even the skin detail. Skin detail in Photoshop refers to the natural texture, pores, fine lines. The texture of the skin has become very clear. See this image before and this after, even look at eyelids. This is pretty clear, so let's see how to do this in Photoshop. Press Ctrl+J to create a duplicate layer of this image. Ctrl+J shortcut instantly creates a new layer via copy. After that, press Ctrl+G to create a group. Ctrl+G is the keyboard shortcut used to group selected layers together into a new folder. And layer 1 will be within that group. Press Ctrl+J to create another duplicate layer of layer 1. And we'll convert this layer to Smart Object. Smart Object allows for non-destructive editing. Press Ctrl+I to invert it. And the blend mode of this layer we will make Vivid Light. Vivid Light blend mode is a high contrast tool that combines color burn and color dodge. But the mode of the group is to Overlay. Overlay blend mode is a contrast boosting tool that mixes the multiply and screen modes. So the group mode is Overlay, but the blend mode of that layer inside is Vivid Light. Select an active layer, then go to Filter, Blur, then Gaussian Blur. The blur amount will gradually increase from 0. Gaussian blur is a tool that smooths and softens an image by blending pixel colors. And we will make its amount 20 or 25 and make it OK. Now if you zoom in on the image, the blur has disappeared from the image. Also, select and activate the group. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E for merges all your visible layers into a brand new single layer on top of your layers panel, while keeping all your original separate layers safe and untouched below. Now open Camera Raw Filter for brings the comprehensive photo editing controls. Then expand Effects in Camera Raw Filter. The amount of clarity will be 5, that is, +5. And the amount of dehaz, +3 will do. Dehaz is a tool that removes or adds atmospheric haze, boosts local contrast, and enriches color saturation. Then expand Detail. The amount of noise reduction will be 75. Detail 50, and the amount of contrast will also be 50. The amount of color noise reduction will be 75. Color noise reduction removes random, unwanted red, green, and blue specks from image. Detail 50, and smoothness 50. Detail is a fine-tuning control, and smoothness blends and evens out random color blotches. Then hit OK. Now create a Levels Adjustment layer. Press Alt and click on Auto. Check Find Dark and Light Colors. Check Snap Neutral Midtones. Then hit OK. Reduce this layer's opacity to 50%. Opacity in Photoshop is a setting that controls transparency, or will do up to 60%. Select all layers and, again press Ctrl+G to create a group. Now zoom in, and look at the image. Look at the details of the eyebrows and eyes. And this image first, where the detail is not clear. And this is after. Look carefully at the eyebrows and eyelashes. Especially you can see the hair, which is the hair of the forehead. At first it was not clear at all, and it was blurry. And you can zoom in on each hair after. This is before image, then after. So, you can sharpen a blurry image in Photoshop with this technique. Can remove image blurredness. Hope you like this video regarding to this technique. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.